how to fix MaxCcuReached error in REPO. Hi everyone, in today's video, we'll show you how to fix the MaxCcuReached error in REPO on PC. If you're seeing this frustrating message while trying to launch the game, don't worry, this quick fix should help. Click on the search box next to the Start menu and type Command Prompt or CMD. When Command Prompt appears in the search results, right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. This ensures it has the proper permissions to change your network settings. In the Command Prompt window, type the following command and press Enter. ipconfig/renew. This will refresh your computer's IP address, helping to fix connection-related issues. Next, type this command and press Enter. ipconfig/flush DNS. This clears your DNS cache, resolving any outdated or conflicting network data that may be causing the MaxCcuReached error. And that's it. Your game should now run without showing the error. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple fixes and helpful tech tips.